The McConnell Public Safety and Transportation Operations Center is a partnership between the County of Fairfax and the Commonwealth of Virginia. It is co-owned by the county and the Commonwealth and is home to multiple agencies delivering transportation, public safety, and emergency services. It fosters interagency collaboration and regional response to day-to-day issues and large-scale emergency events. Multiple public safety agencies are housed at PSTOC. From the county side, we have the Fairfax County Department of Public Safety Communications, which is the county's 911 center, and the Fairfax County Department of Emergency Management and Security. From the state side, we have the Virginia Department of Transportation's Northern Region Transportation Operations Center and Virginia State Police Division 7's Communications Center for the Northern Virginia region. Uniformed officers from Fairfax County Police and Fairfax County Fire and Rescue Departments are also present within our 911 center operations. And while separate operationally, we are connected to the Colonel William Doerr Police Forensics Facility, which is overseen by the Fairfax County Police Department.
The Public Safety Transportation Center, known as PSTOC, is one of a kind. Here in Fairfax County, we have multiple agencies under one roof, seamlessly working together when 911 calls come in. Our 911 operators and dispatchers are highly trained. They can handle any 911 emergency that comes into our center. And our center handles 1.2 million calls per year. We have a lot of internal and external partners. The Virginia Department of Transportation, the Virginia State Police, Fairfax Fire and Police, the Sheriff's Department, Emergency Management, Fort Belvoir, Vienna, Herndon, and Fairfax City. We all work together to make sure callers get the help they need. Our operators and dispatchers are the best of the best. They come in every day. They work 24 hours a day to make sure residents and visitors of Fairfax stay safe. And they take hundreds of calls every shift. They go from one call to another. One could be an accident. The next one could be a behavioral health emergency. They handle the calls with precision and expertise, and I'm very proud of all of our members.
The Department of Emergency Management and Security, our primary mission is to foster collaboration coordination with partner organizations to the safety and well-being of every resident, employee, and visitor to the county. And we do this through prevention, protection, mitigation, response, and recovery activities. The McConnell Public Safety and Transportation building is a unique setup with both state and local agencies in it. For us, as emergency management, it obviously houses our Emergency Operations Center, but it provides the backbone of how the county responds. So we have the 911 center here with us. We have State Highway and Virginia State Police. So a lot of what we would respond to starts in the other part of the building. So whether it's a road incident or a 911 call or something that comes into the state police, it all originates in this building. So it gives us access to that information and also puts us on the leading edge if we were to respond, because those organizations are here to provide us information.
The Northern Virginia region is incredibly busy. The roadways are quite often congested. The benefits of being within this facility is we share a room and a building with the partner agencies, which allows us to communicate a bit more effectively if they're unable to get through on a phone line or whatever the case may be. We can just walk over to one another and communicate in that way to make sure that any resources we need for a crash or a major incident, that we have those on the way, and check the status with them directly with Fairfax County as well as VDOT.
VDOT, the Virginia Department of Transportation. We handle all the roads in Northern Virginia, actually all the roads in the county and Northern Virginia. We are standing in VDOT's Traffic Operations Center, sort of the heart and soul of what we do here in PSTOC. Behind me are operators they're 24/7 operators, so they're here watching all the time. There's a lot of work going on here behind the scenes with the information that's being processed. They gather information from a host of places, and they make sure that information is processed and sent out to the citizens. The citizens have access to our 511 app or our 511 website. So all that information is in process so the citizens they're a little bit more informed about their travel. We have all these cameras behind us that also help us process some of that information. And the other, I guess I should say, main responsibility for the operators here is their dispatching responsibility. So when there are problems on the road, we have sort of dedicated patrols that we will dispatch to assist, whether it's a crash or disabled. We will send those folks to handle the issues. We also, within the county, we can send our area headquarters folks, which are more maintenance folks. They can take care of potholes and animals on the roadway and things that citizens call in all the time. Those are being dispatched here.
The McConnell PSTOC not only serves over 1 million Fairfax County residents, but coordinates services for multiple jurisdictions and agencies throughout the National Capital Region. At its heart, the McConnell Public Safety and Transportation Operations Center is based on partnerships between the agencies at the facility. These partnerships foster multi-agency coordination and cooperation that benefit the entire region.